you are humming along with the account that you started with and you're ready to scale your business, then we have the solution for you. Has your business been going along and your e-comm sales are really starting to click in with the account that you started with? You're really starting to grow and you're consistently filling orders and you're humming along like a champ. My name is Heather Roberts.
Josh Roberts.
And we're the co-founders of RSG Sales. If that is you, if you are humming along with the account that you started with and you're ready to scale your business, then we have the solution for you. There are really 3 keys to account scaling and business scaling for your e-commerce sales. The first one that we recommend is account expansion. Can you kind of expand on that a little bit?
Well, it's not quite as easy as let's just jump in and sell to a bunch of accounts. The important thing is to do your research and to find accounts to expand into that are a good fit for your business.
So it's kind of like, if you've had a kid that's been looking at colleges, you always say it's the right fit.
Right.
That's what this is. You need to have an account that aligns with your business and your business's capabilities and strengths.
Totally.
The second thing that can help move your business forward and really scale is catalog expansion. How do you explain how to do that?
Well, that's adding new products to your catalog, and you want to do it purposefully. You don't want to do the same things that you always do because that's what you always do. You want to add new products that make a difference. And again, you're doing your research and you're doing it in a very targeted way.
Let me ask a couple questions or break that down a little bit. So catalog expansion. Yes, you want to do it intelligently and you don't want to do the things you keep doing, but there's some pretty easy things you can do.
Sure.
So for instance, you want to look at your line and you want to see if you have any gaps in your current assortment with what you're currently offering. So for instance, if you have, we're going to say a table lamp line and everything you have is in, 2 colors, but you have an opportunity to add additional colorways to expand the assortment, that's one way to do it, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, another way would be price points. Is hitting a new price point, whether that's a lower one or a higher one.
In other words, everybody talks about the good, better, best model. So if you're in the good, you can expand by adding a better price, which is not the high end, but a middle. If you are in the better and you're in the middle of the road, you can expand by going into the good, which is kind of that entry level price point. That's really great way to scale. And the third way that you can really scale your business online is through category expansion. Now, this can be a troublesome spot for some if they don't do it right. So what's the right way to do this, Josh?
Well, the wrong way to do it is if you're selling table lamps and say, hey, now I want to sell mattresses. Probably not a good fit. But if you're selling table lamps, in all likelihood, you have competencies or your factories have competencies or they can do chandeliers or wall sconces or outdoor lighting. So you want to expand into things that would be an easy bolt-on for your existing business.
They got to make sense.
Yeah.
The worst thing in the world is when you see somebody who has a catalog and they've got table lamps, they've got mattresses, and they have hardware, like they're selling hammers. What is that? That makes no sense. Don't be that person. It doesn't work. Instead, focus on the area that you really excel in and expand intelligently in that category. So, any other little tips?
No, I think that's good.
We think we covered it? All right, awesome. So listen, gang, the 3 things, if you are ready to scale your online business, whether you are in home decor or you are in any other category, the methodology is still the same. So the 3 things that you want to do is you want to have account expansion. The second item is you want to have catalog expansion. And the third thing is category expansion. Want some more information? We would love to talk to you. So just click the link and you can book a call and we'll see if we can help you out. Thanks.